Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Chrome and going straight to Settings. Click the three dots at the top right, then select Settings. Once there, go to Appearance and click Customize Fonts so you control specifics. You do this because Chrome separates font size from font family, so changing one won't always change the other. Make sure to check default font and fallback options early. This prevents unexpected typeface swaps on websites that use custom fonts. You now pick the font families. Standard, Serif, Sans Serif, and Fixed Width each affects different page elements. Once chosen, adjust the font size and the minimum font size so small text remains readable. This affects accessibility and layout. Also tweak font encoding only if characters look wrong for other languages. After making selections, use the sample preview so you can confirm line breaks and weight look correct. This avoids Once done, reload open web pages to apply your new fonts. If updates don't appear, clear the cache and reload again. You should also check for extensions or user styles that override site fonts. Disable them temporarily to test. If a site still forces its own typeface, Chrome's font settings won't override inline CSS. As a final step, reset font settings to defaults and reconfigure if problems persist. This often fixes conflicts caused by corrupt preferences or extensions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.